Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can export photos from Photomator. So let's get straight into it. Now open the photo you want to export, then head over here at the top right corner where you see this circle with three dots in it. Click on it and here you will see two options, so share and export. So if you click on share, it will open up uh, where you can do that, or if you click export, you will see here to adjust in which format do you want to have it. So JPEG, let's say, quality, we can slide this left and right and you will see it. You can adjust then percentage of the quality, scale, and you can also apply watermark if you want. You have here some options that you can see. Now I don't want to do that, and when you're good to go, just click next and this will start to export, and then when it's done just hit done and you will have your picture on your iPad or on your device. Now if I want to share, you see here what options do you have. So we can airdrop, message, mail, and so on. Also copy, and here you have also the option save image and view more. So you can print, save to file, and convert to PDF and so much more. And that's basically it, how to export an image in Photomator. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.